In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. If you're building an email list for your business, brand, or community, organizing your contacts properly is one of the most important parts of successful email marketing. A well-structured audience helps you send more relevant messages, improve engagement, and keep your campaigns organized from the very beginning. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can confidently set up a brand new audience inside Mailchimp. To get started, open your browser and head to Mailchimp's website. Sign into your account. And once you arrive at the dashboard, you'll see the main control center where all your campaigns, contacts, and marketing tools are managed. Everything we need for this setup can be accessed directly from here. Next, look toward the top navigation area and click on the Audience tab. This section is where Mailchimp stores and organizes your subscribers. It gives you a complete overview of your contact lists and makes it easier to manage different groups for different marketing goals. Once you're inside the Audience section, locate the option labeled Add Contacts. Click on it to continue. This area allows you to bring new subscribers into your account and organize them properly from the start. Keeping audiences separated and clearly categorized helps make your future campaigns more targeted and effective. After clicking Add Contacts, choose the option to add a single subscriber. This method works well when you're entering contacts individually or carefully updating details one person at a time. It also gives you more control over the information attached to each subscriber. Now it's time to configure your audience settings. Start by entering a clear and memorable audience name. Choose something descriptive that helps you quickly recognize the purpose of the list later on. Next, fill in the default sender email address. This is the email your subscribers will see whenever they receive a campaign from you. It's best to use an address that matches your business or brand, so recipients immediately recognize who the message is coming from. Right after that, enter the default sender name. This could be your business name or another recognizable name associated with your brand. A familiar sender name can improve trust and encourage subscribers to open your emails. You'll also see a field asking for a short reminder explaining how subscribers joined your list. This small detail is very important because it helps subscribers remember why they're receiving your emails and reduces the chance of confusion or unsubscribes. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Create Audience to finalize the setup. Your new audience will now be ready for campaigns, automations, and future subscriber growth. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.